welcome back to Willy's channel. Here, we're going to make a quesadilla. It's only with cheese. You might have more ingredients though. Alright, so first we'll add a tortilla on the pan. It's getting hot. Let's add this one. I need tongs.
Here, use a spatula.
I'm doing this. Okay, you do this.
Sure, it's fine. Starting to turn white.
Not totally white.
All right, flip it over and we'll add the cheese.
Okay. Wait, right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now that it's getting hot. Quesadillas cook pretty quick.
This is gonna be a cheese quesadilla. There we go.
Okay, now the top tortilla.
Wait, no, we need to spread the cheese around.
On the edges for you. Okay, put this top tortilla on.
Now do we pat it?
Just let it sit for a second while the cheese melts. And then kind of scoop up the cheese that gets on the edges.
Like this?
Now we gotta flip the quesadilla. See if you can flip the whole thing without spilling the cheese. That's the trick. You want help flipping? Woohoo! You did it, buddy.
It's burnt.
Wow,
A little bit.
It's cooked.
It's cooked. It's brown. It's supposed to be white.
Brown is even more cooked.
Ooh.
Alright, that looks good. Now turn off the burner. You know how to do that?
Wait, how? Wait,
See how that one's on? Flip it to the off.
so this way?
Other way. All the way. Yep.
This way?
Uh-huh. All the way. There you go. Now it's off. Now we can get your quesadilla onto a plate.
I don't know if the bottom is really burnt.
Good work. Now you can cut it with the spatula if you want to slice it into slices.
Can I do the pizza cutter?
Sure.
Yay, pizza cutter. New
Careful.
tool.
That one's sharp.
Pizza cutter. Now this. Quesadilla slice.
Nice work.
I didn't really do it good right here. It's supposed to be like that.
Looks great.
Let me just slice it a bit more.
You want to eat it with any salsa or sour cream on the side?
Sour cream. Alright, now I'm gonna taste it. Sour cream. Oh, stupid. I'm coming to you guys so I can get some sour cream.
Okay.
A little bit too sour. It's called sour cream.
Too much sour cream?
Probably just a little dip. To be quick. Sour. Perfect.
Tastes good?
Yeah.
A quick, easy lunch.
Quick, quick, quick.
Delicious.
I like the cheese.
Cheese is
It's a
good.
nice toasting. Especially the melted cheese. If it was just normal cheese, I would be like, bruh, this is not that good. So, yeah. I like the tortilla too. I like the ingredients that they make it. I have no idea what ingredients, how they made the tortilla.
And it's my channel too. Willy's channel is my channel too.
Yeah, you're in a lot of the videos, aren't you, JB?
But I'm in all of them because it's called Willy's Channel 4. And I'm mostly in all the parts of the video. Thanks for watching, kids. Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. Bye.